Welcome to Consumer Picks. The Best Princess House is probably one of the most sought-after brands in the kitchenware industry, renowned for its exquisite craftsmanship, durable materials, and elegant designs that elevate any culinary experience, making it a top choice for home cooks and professional chefs alike who value both functionality and aesthetic appeal in their kitchen tools and serving pieces. Number 5. Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. Experience the refreshing mist that hydrates and rejuvenates your skin. It's perfect for all skin types, leaving you feeling refreshed and clarified. Infused with aloe, herbs, and rose water, this facial spray revitalizes your complexion. Enjoy its soothing and clarifying benefits. Designed for everyone, this gentle face mist is suitable for all skin types. Achieve a balanced and healthy-looking glow. Need a quick pick-me-up? A spritz of this will instantly refresh your face. It helps to hydrate and clarify your skin on the go. This unique blend clarifies your skin, revealing a brighter complexion. It's your secret weapon for a rejuvenated and clear appearance. Let the natural ingredients soothe and revitalize your skin. It provides essential hydration while clarifying for a healthy radiance. What we like? If you're looking for a quick refresh for your skin, this is it. It hydrates, rejuvenates, and clarifies, making it perfect for all skin types. Use it to set makeup or simply to give your face a revitalizing boost throughout the day. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. It is easy to use and clean, making meal preparation a breeze. The quality of the materials used is excellent, ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 4. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and uneven mixtures? Our powerful immersion blender makes it easy to mix, blend, whisk, and froth in seconds. It comes with detachable accessories to help you create delicious drinks and more. This versatile tool comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments. Blend soups and baby food with the stainless steel shaft, froth milk for your favorite beverages, or whip cream and batter with the whisk. Need to blend faster? Simply increase the power with the turbo mode. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the blade housing minimizes splashes for a cleaner experience. Using it is incredibly straightforward. Just attach your desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. You can easily adjust the speed to achieve perfect results every time. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple and quick. What we like? For those who love to blend, whisk, and froth with ease, this is your go-to. Its powerful motor and multiple attachments, including a whisk and frother, make smoothies, whipped cream, and even beaten eggs a breeze. If you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen and want a versatile tool, this immersion blender is a fantastic choice. What people say. The lid fits snugly and keeps food fresh. Easy to clean and durable material. The design is elegant and looks great on the counter. Number 3. Vtopmart Airtight Food Storage Containers. Imagine a kitchen where everything is perfectly in its place. Our storage solutions bring order and ease to your daily routine, making finding what you need a breeze. This comprehensive set includes 7 containers of various sizes, perfect for storing everything from flour and sugar to snacks and pasta. Keep your pantry stocked and tidy. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, these containers are crystal clear. You can easily see the contents inside without having to open them, saving you time. Our innovative easy-lock lids create an airtight seal with a simple flip. This keeps your food dry and fresh, preserving its quality for longer. Included are 24 reusable labels to help you easily identify contents. No more confusing flour with sugar. Stay organized and efficient in the kitchen. To ensure their longevity, please hand wash these containers. They are designed for durability and repeated use, making them a smart choice for your home. What we like? If your kitchen pantry is in need of an organization overhaul, consider these containers. They feature an airtight seal to keep food fresh and are made from durable, BPA-free plastic. The included labels help you easily identify contents, making them ideal for anyone who wants a tidy and efficient kitchen. What people say. The product is very durable and has a beautiful design. It is easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The product performs exceptionally well, exceeding expectations in terms of functionality. Number 2. Mueller The Real Original Pro Vegetable Chopper and Mandoline Slicer. Introducing the Original Pro Chopper, your reliable kitchen companion since 2013. It's crafted for everyday cooking, making meal prep faster and easier than ever before. Effortlessly slice, dice, and chop fruits and vegetables in seconds. Its sturdy build, quick setup, and easy-to-clean design save you time and effort. Get the functionality of multiple kitchen tools in one. With 8 interchangeable blades, you can slice, julienne, grate, and shred with ease. This kitchen essential is designed for convenience. The included container and food holder keep things clean and safe, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Busy lifestyles no longer mean sacrificing healthy meals. This multifunctional tool makes adding vegetables to your diet easier and more enjoyable. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your loved ones. Enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without the hassle. We believe in making your life easier. Our unparalleled 24/7 live telephone customer support is ready to assist with anything you need. What we like? Busy cooks who want to save time on meal prep will love this. It offers 10 functions with 8 interchangeable blades for slicing, dicing, and chopping, significantly reducing prep time. If you're looking to make healthy meals faster and easier, this versatile chopper is an excellent investment. What people say. The product is very durable and has a beautiful design. It is easy to clean and maintain, which is a big plus for busy kitchens. The functionality of the product is excellent, making cooking a breeze. Number 1. Fullstar Pro XL Vegetable Chopper and Mandoline Slicer. Introducing the Fullstar Pro XL, your ultimate kitchen companion for fast and easy meal preparation. This versatile tool simplifies chopping, slicing, and grating, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. It's more than just a chopper, it includes 4 sharp stainless steel blades for dicing, slicing, and grating. Prepare vegetables, fruits, and cheese with ease, all in one compact unit. Crafted from durable, BPA-free ABS plastic, this chopper is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can handle heavy use, providing a safe and reliable experience every time. Your safety is paramount. It comes with a protective finger guard for worry-free slicing and dicing. Enjoy peace of mind while creating delicious meals. Cleanup is a breeze. All parts are dishwasher safe, making post-meal preparation quick and effortless. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Looking for a practical gift? This kitchen essential is perfect for home cooks of all levels. It's a thoughtful present for housewarmings, holidays, or any occasion. What we like? For those who need to prep larger quantities or enjoy efficient cooking, this XL chopper is ideal. It comes with 4 sharp stainless steel blades and a generous 8-cup capacity, making it perfect for family meals. If you value speed, safety, and easy cleanup, this tool will become a kitchen essential. What people say. The product is very durable and has a beautiful design. It is easy to clean and maintain, which is a great feature for busy kitchens. The product performs exceptionally well, exceeding expectations in terms of functionality and efficiency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.